Welcome. You're listening to the University of Akron Marketing Podcast, sponsored by S3 Technologies.
Hi everyone, my name is Marisa Riggs, and the platform that I created is called The Shared Kitchen. I've always been passionate about cooking and sports, and over time I realized how much my nutrition affected my performance. For over 7 years, I've been searching for healthy recipes that would actually fit my goals and my lifestyle as it changed. I would scroll on TikTok and Pinterest for ideas, but neither of them really worked for me. Cooking started to feel more like a chore and less like something I love to do. So I built The Shared Kitchen. It's a platform that makes cooking social, simple, and actually enjoyable. It's a social media platform that's made just for meal and recipe discovery. It helps you find, share, and discover recipes that fit your life. Think of Pinterest's organization and TikTok's algorithm that will actually help you out. What makes it different is its personalization. What makes it different is its personalization. You can filter by ingredients you already have, your dietary needs, prep time, or even your budget. There's no more endless scrolling. It's quick, relevant, and real. It also has a sense of community. It's not just another recipe feed, it's interactive. You can share your own dishes, join weekly challenges, and see what's trending. I believe that cooking and food are meant to be done together and shared with others, and the Shared Kitchen makes cooking feel social again. It also includes practical tools such as grocery lists, nutrition information, and branded recipes. It's not just inspiration, it's something that you can start to use right away. It stands out because it's 100% focused on food and meal prep discovery. No more distractions. It helps you save time, stay organized, and stress less. It brings community and creativity together all in one space and fixes the frustrations that other platforms give you. Here's why it matters for users. It's recipes that actually fit your lifestyle and goals. It's a great place to connect, share, and stay inspired, and cooking feels easy, creative, and fun again. And for marketers, it allows them to reach their target audience of people that are actively cooking or meal planning. They can share branded recipes in a way that feels natural and not as pushy. And they can also get real data on trending meals and ingredients. The vision is to launch a personalized feed and filters and add trending meals and weekly challenges. The platform would partner with food brands that align with their community as well. And in the future, there would be AI recipe suggestions based on what's in your fridge, integration with grocery delivery apps and meal kits, and local cooking events and workshops. And this is what it all comes down to. Cooking shouldn't feel repetitive or stressful. The Shared Kitchen makes it simple, creative, and social, because food isn't just about eating, it's about sharing.